Okay, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to build a concrete foundation for a built-in barbecue. So we already went down, we dug down, we put in 3 inches of really crushed gravel, and we did that. And as you can see, we're getting ready to do concrete. So we took a mesh metal pieces and we put it in there so we can help prevent cracking. So we did that, we put that kind of down. We rented a concrete mixer from Home Depot, and we're gonna start mixing some concrete and we'll see how this goes. Okay, so we rented a concrete mixer. This is a 3.5 concrete mixer. We rented this from Home Depot. It's electric. It's really pretty nice. It's about 50 bucks to rent for a full day. A lot easier than trying to mix bags of concrete in a wheelbarrow at 80 pounds a bag. So this is two 80-pound bags mixing right now, and then it's on wheelbarrow. It's like a wheelbarrow setting, so you can just roll it up to where you want to dump it, and dump it right into your framed out area. Okay, as you can see, we got the concrete put into place where we wanted it. So we used the mixer from Home Depot, which worked perfectly. You just add the concrete, you add the right amount of water. The mixer is electric, it mixes for you, and you take it from that mixer, you dump it right into your form where you want your concrete to be. So we did that. Then what we did is we took a 2x4, we laid it across our wood from the outside in our patio to make sure we get it level, and we just worked it back and forth to get it kind of a rough leveling done of the concrete. After we did that, we used basically a trowel just to kind of tap it, and so it gave it more of a smooth surface. It actually brings the water to the surface, so it gives it more of a smooth surface on the top. The nice thing for what I'm doing with this is it's just actually all going to be covered for me. So there's going to be a barbecue built in across this entire L shape. So this doesn't have to be a perfect finish on this. Ours is pretty good. It's pretty level and it's pretty smooth. And the nice thing about it is it's very, very, very level. So we went through and made sure we leveled it off really, really well. And I over poured concrete to make sure it wouldn't crack, and I put the metal mesh in it so it wouldn't crack the concrete as well. So this is about 5.5 inches of concrete that we poured into this form. So I let this set for about a day before I took the forms off. So I had the wood forms that were around it. I let it set for about a day. And I basically went and just touched it once in a while just to see if it was actually getting dry and if it looked like it was getting secure. And then I just worked the forms off from the outside, worked all the forms off it and removed them. And now I'm starting to fill back in. So I'm filling back in with dirt up against it because this was good. We wanted to be able to run off here. So I did that, and now once we do all of that, we'll start getting ready for building our built-in barbecue on top of this concrete pad. The built-in barbecue will be in another video, so thanks for watching, and subscribe below, and let us know what you think, and if you've done a project similar to this, or if you have any questions.